everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're taking a look at a beautiful 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true 138 Super Sport car. Pretty darn nice car, guys. Actually, a buddy of mine down in North Carolina is the one who got this car for me. Man, honestly, our connections in the south of what's really kind of kept us alive here. We're just selling cars faster than we can get them, and these guys are really doing a good job finding cars for me. But great car. Again, factory 138 Super Sport car. He actually found it, a guy close to him. The car's out of South Carolina. He has quite a big car collection. That's where the car came out of. Didn't get a lot of history or anything with the car. He said it's an older restoration, still very, very nice. Wheels and tires are brand new. Matter of fact, that was part of the deal. I didn't like the wheels he had on it, so we swapped. It's got 18 and 20 inch Americans on it with all new rubber. A lot of the front end and stuff is actually new. I've seen some new bushings on the sway bar. It's got brand new front disc brakes. So they've definitely done some upgrades recently, but very nice car. There's a few little things you can nitpick in the paint, but pretty car. And again, true 138 Super Sport car. Looks like it's got a new front bumper on it. I've driven it. My son just drove it. It's a good car. 84,000. I think that's what it is. 84,000 on the odometer. Supposed to be the original miles on it. And we really haven't done much to it. A little bit of detail, and that's all we've done. The paint is slick. I gotta believe this paint is newer, because the paint is really nice on this car. If you want me to nitpick something, you can see it's got a little dry rotted rubber in the A-pillar vent there. Pretty color, Madeira maroon. This is the original color combination. Factory black vinyl interior. Most of this stuff, like the emblems, stuff like that, those are original. You can see that tail panel trim, that's all original. Sorry guys, little wax we left on it. You can see the car's nice and flat down the sides. Again, brand new wheels and tires. And 20s. Car's got really pretty paint on it. That's a cool color, man. It's got a metallic, so it pops. Getting brand new front disc brakes. It looks like the A-arms and everything were brand new on it. It is a 66 date coated 396, but it's not the matching numbers engine. Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power front disc brakes. Looks like it's got an HEI distributor, stock exhaust manifolds. Again, can't say we put a ton of miles on it, but drove it out a little bit, and really feels like a good car, good tight car. Sorry I'm rushing, guys. They're dropping off a dumpster out front here. We're remodeling our building, and so we got one shop that, oh, it might have a little stone peck there. I don't know if you can see that. I'll have the guys take a peek at it. Good looking car. Glass is nice. Now this A-pillar chrome looks like it's new, or not chrome, rubber. A-pillar chrome's very nice on it. New mirrors, looks like new door handles. Factory black vinyl interior, new carpet, new sill plates. Again, like I say, I don't think it's a fresh frame off or anything like that, but somebody's definitely done some stuff to it recently. Bucket seats, console, Hurst shifter. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Factory dash, 84,813. That's supposed to be the original miles on the car. It's got an aftermarket radio sound system in it. It's kind of cool. They got an aftermarket clock in the console that works. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt 373 limited slip rear end. And I got a little, something got a little messy when they're putting the rubber or the glue in for the seal there. Spare. That's that, I can't remember the name of that coating. That's actually a rust inhibitor. It's supposed to be good stuff that they put on the trunk. It should be spackle coat, but I've seen that a lot. Well, if I can get my camera to focus in here. Come on. There we go. Pretty nice underneath. Got it up on the hoist. Got some pictures of the bottom for you. Sorry guys, that's the doggone pollen out here, man. It's just crazy. Seats are nice. Little mark in it. Oh no, I'm sorry. That's just a little dust. Sorry. Like I say, the clock does work in there. It's pretty cool. Console's nice. Go ahead, Nathan. You can fire it up. Again, new door handles. Man, they must have replaced the other one. That one looks original on there, to be honest with you. Little cam to it, nothing crazy. Again, it is a 66 block, not a matched numbers engine. A little belt squeak in there. Car's got a great sound to it. Fuel gauge works. Again, your clock in there works. Parking brake does work. Nice little cam to it. Nice little load. It's got a good sound. Radio works. No on the blower motor. We couldn't get the blower motor to come on. Wipers are functional. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. There should be a little button on the bottom you can click on. That way you can get a notification every time I post another one of these videos. Man, that's a good looking car. Have a great day, guys.